ano po no? Okay, naghimo tag cake na nag-order sa ato, no? By the way, thanks to Miss Ella. And it's my pleasure to be part of the uh, anniversary or the get together for Ampo Centro on their 7th General Assembly General Meeting here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay. Ayan, atong cake. Pasensya na no, kay dili gyud ko ganahan o kanang very plain ba. Murag mo na nay tatak na lang siguro nako, no? Okay, I hope you will like it. As per order is choco vanilla flavor of the cake, and then the color of blue and pink. So I hope I've reached your or I hit the color you prefer, Miss Ella. Thank you so much. So it's June 23. It's ako lang naghimuan ni no, mga topper na ko para lang makita na i-date, though naman yung date, but it's a launch or a campaign calling all our kababayan na mga OFW syempre, gina-campaign ni karon sa mga agency and to the government sectors ang one off day per worker. Okay, ayan. So I hope you will enjoy it. Yeah, our cupcakes is only vanilla flavor. Yeah, so wala pa na apil ang coconut macarons dire. Okay, para itago na nato siya. Si Kiko nato. Okay, any comments or suggestions, feel free to comment down. Kanina ay mali. I know you will notice this. Kasi akong order is medyo dako iyang na print. So morning na inani ang itsura. But I think it should be okay. Makonsider mo na kahit di man ta professional baker or expert here. But at least I'm trying my best. Trying hard. See that? Okay, salamat po. Comment down, and sa mga wala nag-subscribe, please do subscribe. Kaya na po tayo kaming uban nga cake nga na naka-place order na to karon. Okay, bye bye. Amping ta kanunay. Please do subscribe. Bye.